we have different pony, cat, bird, and cat, and the dog here, ready for our cleaning bag. Here's our cleaning bag. Look at this. There you are. Okay. Okay, close it. This is our cleaning punch bag. See the punch bag there? Now we will open it. Open. Okay, move up. This is time for cleaning up. And we see here, you see our heights of the animals. And we get here, fowl animals. And of course, we have to put the table here at the front. Put the table here in the front. There you are, the table. And then the wash station and the water here. Let's start cleaning. We have also a brush here. Ready, go. The first one is a dog. Whoop, whoop. What is your height? Oh, your height is still like a little bit higher. And your fowl is here. And you are weighing 100 pounds. Now, time for cleaning up. Go to the other side of the room. This is the eye wash station. Okay, time to take a bath. Take a bath. Okay, foul number 1. Clean up, brush your hair, brush the hair. Okay, brush the eyes, the ears, and the tail. Make sure it's clean. Okay, put up there and in the table, clean. Good job, finish. Go to the other side. The next one is a pony. Pony, what is your height? Oh, you are higher. And your fowl, there your fowl. And time for cleanup. Okay, get the water. And then brush. Brush again, brush. Okay, it's time out. Clean up. The next one is the Tweety bird. Tweet. Okay, time for the height. Oh, you're smaller. And your fowl. You have no fowl, but you have a claw. And then time to clean up. Put the water. And brush the hair. And the wings. Good job. Time to get the cloth. Okay. Good job. Number 3. And the last one is the cat. Meow. Okay. Time to get the weight. Oh, you are a little bit heavier than the bird. How about your height? Oh, your height is good. Time to take a bath. Okay. Get the water and the shampoo. And then brush the hair. Brush. And the tail. Good job. Go to the table. And then wash. Good job. And all finish. All your 4 are clean now. Good job. Good job. Time to close. And remove our items here. And the table. And put it down. Okay, get up. It's time to close up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Time to close our close now. And close. There you are. Your automobile cleaning machine. Doctors, I am sick. Call the doctor when I'm sick. Okay, go inside. Put one on the table. brush. And the water. And this one. Phony first, go inside. And the cat, go up. And the bird, tweet tweet. And the dog, woof woof. Okay, good job. Time to clean up. Open again. And bye bye. Thank you for watching. Poor little good kitty.